Hey, what's up guys? Make Money Matt here, helping you guys make money online. Right now, I'm logged into my YouTube analytics in the past 365 days from February 19th, 2018 to February 18th, 2019. I've made $134,000 from a single YouTube channel without even making videos, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what I mean by that in just a second. If we just go over some of these dates right here, I've made over $1,000 that day, $1,000. This channel makes a lot of money. If we go to a second channel, this is a channel that I actually started in the beginning of 2018. I got the same time frame on this channel right here, past 365 days. This channel has made $32,000. You guys can do the math. It's possible to make a lot of money on YouTube. And if we go over some of the days right here, as the channel started, it was only making like $20, $30 a day. After I actually started implementing some of the secrets that I learned, it completely blew up. I made over $800 in a single day on that channel. And as you guys can see, ever since then, this channel has generated consistent income as well. Now, I actually calculated out both channels right here. Both of my channels combined have made $167,000 in the past 365 days, uploading videos to YouTube I didn't even make. Now, like I promised you guys, I'm going to show you exactly what I mean by uploading videos to YouTube I didn't even make, and how you guys can do it too. So guys, here is an example channel called Tech HD, and what this channel essentially does is upload videos like ingenious workers that are on another level, most satisfying factory machines, shocking furniture and tables you need to see to believe. This video was uploaded 3 months ago. It already has 6.3 million views. Look, a lot of their most popular videos were only uploaded 3 months ago, 2 months ago. This method is not only working, it's working really well right now. Let's just click their most popular video, shocking furniture and tables you need to see to believe. Well, first, before we do that, if we scroll up and go to their Social Blade statistics right here, this channel makes between $4.5 thousand and $71,000 every single month. Now that is a lot of money, and I can tell you guys from experience, that number is typically in between those two numbers. By my estimates, is making at least $30,000 to $35,000 every single month. It could even be much more than that, since this channel is in the tech niche, and the tech niche has such good CPMs, meaning they pay a lot per 1,000 views. And the way these channels make money is that ads get put on their videos, and every single person who watches a video who sees an ad generates money for the person who owns this channel. Let's go to that video right here, shocking furniture and tables you need to see to believe. Starts off with just an intro. It says Tech HD. It shows all these different furniture and tables, and it shows videos that they didn't even make. These are videos they're getting from websites, from other YouTube videos, putting them together into their own video, uploading it to YouTube, and these videos get a ton of views, and this channel is able to make a lot of money doing this. You might be asking, how can I do this? How can I find videos like this to put into my own videos to upload onto YouTube to make money? Now you can go to channels like this, and if you scroll down here, they actually put links to each of the products they show in their video in the description of this video. And you might be wondering, how did this channel not get copyright striked? How are they able to get away with uploading videos to YouTube they didn't even make? How do these companies not copyright strike this Tech HD channel? Now the answer is very simple, and the answer is that this channel is essentially advertising for completely free for each of the companies and each of the products that they show within their video. So this is essentially free advertising for each of these different products that they show in their video. They even put a link down to the product in the description. For example, this is 6.3 million views that this product and this company would have otherwise not gotten if it was not for this video. They put royalty-free music in the background of the video. It's no voiceovers whatsoever. I always do recommend doing a voiceover on top of your videos, but judging by these channels, it's not necessary. And then you can go to the link of any of these different products. For example, if we click this Heatherwick Studio Friction Table link, it brings up the page of that product. There's even a link on this page that says view footage here, and if we click the link, it shows that exact same Vimeo video. All this channel did is find all these different tables, download the videos, and then re-upload them to YouTube, and they're making a lot of money doing this. There's so many channels doing this exact same thing. Taking a look here real quick, here's another channel doing the exact same thing called Future Tech. They get a ton of views. Another channel called Latest Tech, 10 million, 8 million, 8 million views. another channel doing the exact same thing called Chopbusters. This is one of their videos right here, and if you click the link to their products in the description, they show the exact products that they show within the video. Here's another channel doing the exact same thing called Futurist. There's so many channels doing this, and there's so much opportunity in doing this. In my opinion, this is the #1 way for beginners to make money online because it requires no upfront investment, no spending on Facebook ads. All you literally need is an internet connection and a bank account, and you guys can do this too. Now, if you guys are serious about this method, you can check out my course at the link in the description, How to Make Money on YouTube Without Making Videos. I show you exact steps of how to start making money on YouTube for absolute beginners. I show you the exact business model and blueprint and exact steps of what to do to start making money on YouTube. I show you the exact best niches you can do this in, how to download videos, how to optimize your channel, how to optimize your videos, how to upload videos, how to multiply your ad revenue several times as to what other people on YouTube are making, and everything you need to know to start making money on YouTube without making videos, and the exact outline of how I make 6 figures on YouTube without making videos. And I just came out with my new Make Money on YouTube Advanced Masterclass, which you guys can see in the link in the description as well, and I show you how to take your YouTube income to the next level. Now, what do I mean by that? I show you my exact top niches that I personally use to make money on YouTube with this method. I show you how to get around copyright ID and avoid getting copyright strikes. I show you the tactics to do that, as well as multiple examples of the full process of finding videos, optimizing them, and uploading videos, and I show you the best advanced techniques to optimizing your videos for views and subscribers. And lastly, which I know you guys are gonna love, I show you how to get a monetized channel super fast. You guys can buy each course separately if you want, but if you guys do want a discount in getting both courses, you can check out my Make Money on YouTube bundle. Again, that's at the link in the description as well. It includes both courses for a $50 discount. But if you guys want to start to learn how to make money on YouTube without making videos, my main course is more than enough. However, if you do want to learn the advanced tactics, you can check out my Advanced Masterclass as well as my bundle if you want to get both courses for a discount instead of buying them separately. I sincerely want to help people in jumpstarting their progress, and I teach you guys things that I wish I knew in the beginning, things that I believe will allow you to make money on YouTube much quicker than you would otherwise be able to do trying to learn all these different things on your own. I hope this video provided value for you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.